Well, good morning, everyone. Justin here, and today I'm drawing another pencil portrait, this time of a coworker. His name is Charles. I'm using a mechanical pencil with 2B lead. I didn't switch over to, I don't believe I used softer lead this time, which explains why I don't have as much of a contrast as some of my other drawings. My usual workflow is to go from upper left to bottom right, so I can avoid smudging. But of course, I always try to use a piece of paper as well if I need to, just to prevent smudging if I have to go back. When I put in the tones, I usually use fairly closely spaced parallel lines, and then I'll use either my finger or a blending stump just to smooth things out if I feel like I want it to be a little bit more blended in. If I want it to have more of a sketchy feel, I won't bother with blending. I'll just leave the pencil marks as is and go from there. I'll even use obvious crosshatch lines, and I'll often use crosshatch lines anyway towards the peripheral sections of the drawing, just to show that I think it kind of helps to show that it's really a pencil drawing, where it's smooth in the main parts of the drawing, the face, for example, and around the eyes and nose or whatever, but towards the outer parts, like the shoulders usually and the shirt, I'll go ahead and make it more sketchy. So thanks a lot for watching and have a great day. Bye.